ជាបឋមខ្ញុំបាទសូមលំអរកាយគ្រប់នឹងជំរាបសួរពុកម៉ែបងប្អូននិងមិត្តភ័ក្តិអរគ្នានៅក្នុងបណ្ដាញសង្គម YouTube ជាទីគោរពនិងជាទីរាប់អានបាទស្វាគមន៍សាជាថ្មីមកកាន់ការចែករំលែកនៅព័ត៌មានទាក់ទងទៅនឹងរថយន្តថ្ងៃនេះគឺខ្ញុំចង់ចែករំលែកនៅព័ត៌មានដែលនិយាយអំពី Ford F-150 បាទ Lighting ក៏ក្រើកខ្លាំងពេកដល់ថ្នាក់ The Rock បាទកក់តាំងពីដំបូងចាំទាំងយប់ទាំងថ្ងៃឥឡូវនេះសូមអញ្ជើញពុកម៉ែបងប្អូននិងមិត្តភ័ក្តិអរគ្នារីករាយតាមដានស្ដាប់និងទស្សនាកម្សាន្តជាមួយនឹងខ្ញុំបាទទាំងអស់គ្នាយើងដឹងហើយ The Rock គឺជាគេហៅថាកីឡាកាសផងបាទហើយក៏ជាតារា Hollywood ផងដែរអ្នកពីរួមតារាសល់ប្រាក់វ៉លលៀនបាទរថយន្ត pick up អគ្គិសនីរបស់ Ford គឺ F-150 Lighting គ្រាន់តែបើកឲ្យកក់ភ្លាមក៏ត្រូវបានគេកក់អស់រលីងហើយលើសចំនួនកំណត់ទៅទៀតក្នុងនោះក៏មានកម្ពុជាតារាសម្ដែង Hollywood គឺលោកបាទ Devani Johnson បាទហៅ The Rock ផងដែរដែលបានកក់រថយន្តនេះរួចជាស្រេចនិងទន្ទឹងរង់ចាំយ៉ាងអន្ទះសារទៀតផងលោក Jim Farley បាទសំទោស Jim Farley នាយកប្រតិបត្តិក្រុមហ៊ុន Ford បានបង្ហោះលើ Twitter ថា The Rock កំពុងរង់ចាំរថយន្ត pick up អគ្គិសនីមួយនេះហើយបង្ហាញការគាំទ្រចំពោះដំណើរការផលិតផងដែរជាមួយគ្នា The Rock ក៏ចង់បើកសាកល្បងរថយន្ត F-150 Lighting ក្នុងពេលឆាប់ៗគួរបញ្ជាក់ថារថយន្ត Ford F-150 Lighting មានតម្លៃខុសគ្នាទៅតាម option ដូចខាងក្រោម Pro តម្លៃ $39,975 ដុល្លារ XLT តម្លៃ $52,974 ដុល្លារបាទ LARIAT តម្លៃគឺ $67,474 ដុល្លារនិង Platinum តម្លៃគឺ $98,874 ដុល្លារបាទរថយន្ត pick up Ford F-150 Lighting កំពុងតែទទួលបាននូវជោគជ័យយ៉ាងខ្លាំងទាំងដែលវាមិនទាន់ចេញលក់ជាផ្លូវការផងខណៈក្រុមហ៊ុនផលិតរថយន្តអាមេរិកនេះបានទទួលការកក់ចិត្តបាទ 20,000 គ្រឿងបាត់ទៅហើយបាទ 20,000 គ្រឿងណាបាទវាគឺជាតួលេខដ៏គួរឲ្យកត់សម្គាល់និងភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលមួយប៉ុន្តែ Ford ត្រូវចំណាយពេលលើសពី3ឆ្នាំដើម្បីសម្រេចចំនួននេះព្រោះដើមឡើយក្រុមហ៊ុនមានគម្រោងផលិត F-150 Lighting តែ 15,000 គ្រឿងនៅឆ្នាំ 2022 ដំឡើងដល់ 55,000 គ្រឿងក្នុងឆ្នាំ 2023 និង 80,000 គ្រឿងក្នុងឆ្នាំ 2024 បាទតែយ៉ាងណា Ford កំពុងតែធ្វើការដើម្បីបង្កើនចំនួនផលិតឲ្យបាន 80,000 គ្រឿងនៅក្នុងឆ្នាំ 2023 ដើម្បីឲ្យស្របតាមតម្រូវការអតិថិជនបាទគួរដឹងថាអាគុយរបស់ Ford F-150 Lighting មានជម្រើស2គឺ Standard Range និង Extend Range សម្រាប់អាគុយ Standard Range មានទំហំគឺ 98 kW/ម៉ោងពេលសាកពេញម្ដងបើកបានចម្ងាយគឺ 370 km ចំណែកអាគុយ Extend Range មានទំហំ 131 kW/ម៉ោងពេលសាកពេញធ្វើដំណើរបានចម្ងាយគឺ480 km បាទសូមអរគុណដល់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានចំណាយពេលវេលាតាមដានស្ដាប់និងទស្សនាកម្សាន្តនៅព័ត៌មានដែលនិយាយអំពី Ford F-150 Lighting បាទក៏ក្រើកបាទដល់ថ្នាក់តារា Hollywood The Rock ហ្នឹងក៏ទន្ទឹងរង់ចាំដែរដោយសារតែមានការកក់គឺច្រើនមែនទែនបាទអញ្ចឹងចំនួនអ្នកកក់ហ្នឹងគឺ 20,000 គ្រឿងបាត់ទៅហើយបាទចំនួនអ្នកកក់បាទអូខេអញ្ចឹងសូមអរគុណដល់អ្នកនរគ្នាបាទដែលបានជួយ like ជួយ share ហើយនិង comment ផងដែរហើយជាកិច្ចបន្តអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចរីករាយតាមដានស្ដាប់និងទស្សនាកម្សាន្តនៅព័ត៌មាននេះជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសបាទហើយនិងភាសាថៃបន្តទៀតបាទសូមជូនពរដល់ពុកម៉ែបងប្អូននិងមិត្តភ័ក្តិទាំងអស់គ្នាឲ្យមានសុខភាពល្អមានសំណាងល្អនិងរកទទួលទានបានគ្រប់គ្នាបាទ
Ford F-150 Lightning shakes so much to the Rock that booking from the beginning, day and night Ford's electric pickup, the F-150 Lighting, was immediately booked and sold out, including Hollywood superstar Dwayne Johnson alias The Rock. Also, have already booked this car and look forward to it. Ford CEO Jim Farley tweeted that The Rock was waiting for the electric pickup and expressed support for the production process. The Rock also wants to test drive the F-150 Lightning soon. It should be noted that the Ford F-150 Lightning is priced differently depending on the following options: Pro price $39,974, XLT price $52,974, LARIAT price $67,474, Platinum price $90,874. The Ford F-150 Lightning pickup is so successful that it has yet to be officially released, as the U.S. automaker has already received nearly 200,000 pre-orders. It's a staggering number. But it will take Ford more than 3 years to reach that number, as the company originally planned to produce only 15,000 F-150 Lightning units by 2022, up to 55,000 units by 2023 and 80,000 units in 2024. However, Ford is working to increase production to 80,000 units by 2023 to meet customer demand. It should be noted that the battery of Ford F-150 Lightning has two options: standard range and extended range. The standard range of the battery is 98 kWh, and when fully charged, it has a range of 370 km. The extended range battery has a capacity of 131 kWh and a range of 480 km on a full charge.
Ford F-150 Lightning สะเทือนถึงเดอะร็อกมากจนจองได้ตั้งแต่เช้ายันค่ำรถกระบะไฟฟ้าของ Ford F-150 Lightning ถูกจองและขายหมดในทันทีซึ่งรวมถึงซูเปอร์สตาร์ฮอลลีวูดเดเวนจอห์นสันในชื่อเดอะร็อกนอกจากนี้ได้จองรถคันนี้แล้วและตั้งตารอจิม ฟาเล่ CEO ของ Ford ทวีตว่าเดอะร็อกกำลังรอรถกระบะไฟฟ้าและแสดงการสนับสนุนกระบวนการผลิตเดอะร็อกต้องการทดลองขับ F-150 Lightning เร็วๆนี้ควรสังเกตว่า Ford F-150 Lightning มีราคาแตกต่างกันไปตามตัวเลือกต่อไปนี้ราคาโปร $39,974 XLT ราคา $52,974 ราคา $67,474 Platinum ราคา $9,874 อเมริการถกระบะ Ford F-150 Lightning ประสบความสำเร็จอย่างมากจนยังไม่มีการเปิดตัวอย่างเป็นทางการเนื่องจากผู้ผลิตรถยนต์สัญชาติอเมริกันได้รับคำสั่งซื้อล่วงหน้าเกือบ 200,000 คันแล้วเป็นตัวเลขที่น่าตกใจแต่ฟอร์ดต้องใช้เวลามากกว่า 3 ปีกว่าจะถึงจำนวนนั้นเนื่องจากเดิมบริษัทวางแผนจะผลิต F-150 Lightning เพียง 15,000 คันภายในปี 2565 สูงสุด 55,000 คันภายในปี 2566 และ 80,000 คันในปี 2567 อย่างไรก็ตามฟอร์ดกำลังทำงานเพื่อเพิ่มการผลิตเป็น 80,000 คันภายในปี 2566 เพื่อตอบสนองความต้องการของลูกค้าควรสังเกตว่าแบตเตอรี่ของ Ford F-150 Lightning มี 2 ตัวเลือกคือช่วงมาตรฐานและช่วงขยายช่วงมาตรฐานของแบตเตอรี่คือและเมื่อชาร์จเต็มแล้วจะมีระยะทาง 370 กิโลเมตรแบตเตอรี่ช่วงขยายมีความจุและช่วง 480 กิโลเมตรเมื่อชาร์จเต็ม